This is Shiraz Sardari with Real LePage Sussex in West Vancouver. This is your September 2023 real estate update. Let's get right into it. In the month of September, we had 489 detached homes listed for sale, 33 sales, and on average, they took 30 days to sell. The current average price is $3,281,800, which is a 0.24% increase compared to August, where it was $3,273,900. Next, we have condos, and they went down in value. We had 92 listings, 18 sales, and they took on average 44 days to sell. The current average price is $1,331,600, which is a 1.85% fall compared to August, where it was $1,356,700. And finally, we have townhomes, but this month we have basically zero data to go by. 14 active listings, 3 sales, and 41 days on average to sell. Now, the average price sells zero, and usually I give you a number of what those 4 sales would be, but this month the number would just jump by 3 million, so I didn't think it was valuable. Thank you for joining me, and see you next month.